Hello there. In this video, I'm excited to guide you through the process of how to change your name on your Google Workspace account. Whether you've recently gone through a name change due to personal reasons, or you're looking to update your name for a more professional appearance, this tutorial is designed specifically for you. Once you're on the Google Workspace homepage, you need to access the admin console. Clicking on this icon is crucial as it gets you closer to the settings where you can change your name. Once you've clicked the icon, follow the link or manually navigate back to the admin console. Yes, we are revisiting the admin console because it's where the magic happens. Once there, click on the account option to proceed further. After selecting account, your next move is to choose account settings. This is where you can view and modify various aspects of your Google Workspace account. Our main focus here is the name change, so let's keep going. Next up, click on Profile. This action will bring up all your profile details, including your current name. This is exactly what we're looking to update. Locate and click on your current name. Doing so will make the name field editable, allowing you to input any changes you wish to make. Go ahead and type in your new preferred name. Once you're satisfied with your newly entered name, remember this crucial last step, clicking Save. This action finalizes all the changes, ensuring your Google Workspace account reflects your new name across all Google services. And just like that, in a matter of minutes and a few clicks, you've successfully updated your name on Google Workspace. This adjustment will now be reflected consistently across all Google services, ensuring your digital identity is up to date and professional. Remember, keeping your professional information current is vital in the digital world, and your Google Workspace account is a key component of that digital identity. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher on updating your name. Also, consider exploring other settings within Google Workspace to maximize your account's effectiveness. Thank you so much for joining me for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and guides.